Hey everyone, welcome to today's explainer. Today, we are diving into something super fun, the Bubble Hive DIY Steam Kit by iCraft. This isn't just your standard outdoor toy. We're going to explore exactly how this kit transforms ordinary playtime into an extraordinary hands-on learning adventure.
So, I want you to imagine something for a second. What if you could build your own bubble-making tool? Think about the excitement of not just running around blowing bubbles, but actually getting to construct the very wand that makes them. That is the exact power this kit puts directly into a kid's hands.
The result is the ultimate creative outdoor play experience. Picture the pure joy of those massive, colorful bubbles flying through the sunlight. Plus, there's this incredible sense of accomplishment that comes from playing with something you've built completely from scratch, right?
Let's jump into Section 1. Meet the Bubble Hive.
The Bubble Hive is an iCraft DIY steam kit, and it empowers kids to really do it all. It is a true hands-on learning adventure where they build their own tool, prep their own liquid, and just explore active play. It's this beautiful mix of science, technology, engineering, art, and math, all completely disguised as an amazing outdoor activity.
Moving right along to Section 2. Build your bubble tool.
Right out of the box, you have everything you need to get going. You get an array of vibrant plastic straws, a really sturdy transparent plastic ring, some two-sided tape, and a wooden stick for the handle. It's clean, simple, and completely unintimidating to put together.
The build process is super engaging, guiding young builders through 4 incredibly satisfying steps. First up, you arrange those colorful straws upside down, making sure the open ends face downward. Second, you secure that tight bundle together with the included two-sided tape. Third, you place that bundled core right inside the transparent ring. And finally, you just attach the wooden stick with the tape to serve as your handle. Easy, right? Watching it all come together step by step is honestly so cool. Those individual, colorful straws completely transform into a beautiful, functional honeycomb pattern tool. It really highlights the engineering side of things, taking basic, everyday components and turning them into something entirely new. And boom, there you have it, a perfectly designed bubble tool, fully assembled, super vibrant, and ready for action. It looks premium, it feels substantial in the hand, and again, the absolute best part, it's something they built entirely themselves.
Okay, Section 3. Mix the bubble liquid.
Now, the kit supplies the exact ingredients you need for the perfect bubble solution. We aren't just using standard soapy water here. You'll be combining water, liquid soap, sugar, and glycerine. It basically turns the kitchen table into a fun little chemistry lab. But here is a really crucial point from the instructions. Mix gently and slowly. You definitely don't want to whip it up into a frothy mess before you even head outside. Mixing it gently ensures the absolute perfect consistency so those ingredients can bond properly and create super strong, long-lasting bubbles. Once it's mixed, you let the completed wand rest in that magical solution. The liquid seeps right up into all those dozens of tiny straw openings, fully priming it for the big reveal. Let me tell you, the anticipation at this stage is absolutely huge. Which brings us to Section 4, time for bubble magic.
When you finally dip that finished tool into the liquid and wave it around, it produces this incredible, joyful stream of abundant, colorful bubbles. Because of that unique honeycomb design we built earlier, you don't just get one single bubble, you get a spectacular, massive cluster of them all at once. The visual payoff is literally stunning.
Finally, Section 5. Discover the steam value. Beyond all the fun, this activity seamlessly blends some vital educational benefits. You've got creativity and design, hands-on construction as they build the tool, plus observation and experimentation as they mix the liquids. Ultimately, it gives them a real understanding of bubbles and how solutions actually work. It is learning by doing, which we all know is the best kind of learning. Build it, mix it, blow it. Discover the magic of bubbles. That phrase perfectly captures the whole journey of this kit. You're invited to experience the complete cycle, from being the creator to being the explorer. So if you want a premium, trustworthy activity that gets everyone outside having a blast, I highly recommend checking out the Bubble Hive DIY Steam Kit by iCraft. Thanks for joining me on this explainer today. I'll leave you with this one thought. If your kids can build their own awesome toys from scratch today, what incredible things will they engineer tomorrow?